Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to localize the home screen option. Now let's tap on the system navigation, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for. But before we'll set the gestures, a quick disclaimer, because here you can customize the buttons. If you decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it here. Alright, so let's first of all tap on the gestures. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial. I don't want to because I already know how to use them, so I'll show you. And as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some different gestures. You can also customize the gestures here, so you can either hide this line. It's up to you. I think I prefer the option with the line hidden, and the gesture confirmation, which basically means that in some situations, like for example playing a game or watching a video, you will have to double the gesture to confirm it, but that's up to you. So a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you'd like to get back to the previous page just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see the arrow, and then release the finger. Just like that. We've got the arrow, so release the finger. It works the same from the right side. If you'd like to go back to the home page directly, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate it, like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.